we are in the third phase of it. Now as you can see, we have the this visuals are ready. Now we'll create a fantastic theme, and post to that we will upload it in the Power BI service, right? So so as you can see, this is head count, this is okay. We'll keep it like this so that look good. Also I believe average, we can copy and paste. We'll create one more few more parameters because average age is there, average salary we can put it, so that one view they can understand that average salary is this one. Also again, salary format we need to change it. Yes. Mm, done. So this way we can do it, and also we have the average age, we have the head count. What else we can put? Total head count is already there. Minimum salary, leave balance. Also leave balance we can create it, average leave balance, so that they can understand. um, Average leave balance. Okay, so we can put average leave balance also here. So average leave balance is 16.62. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll take a, see, all these parameters, all this chart, all this card basically has to be properly maintained. Before than that, let's take a theme. So theme, you can select, go to view, and then maybe you can shortlist few themes if you want to go ahead with this theme. Let's do this theme may not be that much flashy, or else you can go like this way. Yeah, this looks fine, we can play around with that. Okay, and what you can do is, rather doing individually, you can also do one second. I'll tell you what exactly you can do to do it faster. Okay. So first you go to this format visuals. Format visuals. Got it. Okay. In the format visual, you go to call out values. Okay. This is fine. Background, you give it. Border, you give it. Border is required. And overflow padding. This is fine. Call out values is yes. You want bigger call out values. That is fine. Text wrapped is yes. Data level is on. Level is on. Okay, this is fine. Title has to be on. Data format is fine. Tooltips is on. Um, so the effects, you can take it up. Different kind of effects. Visual border, you can take it up. Shadow, you can take it up. Also, if you are using some of the images, that is great. You can take it up. But I'm not doing taking all the images at this point of time. It is a bit time consuming. But try to focus how exactly. Now rounded corners, this will look very nice. I mean, as I've seen like this similar way. uh, so text wrap, you can as well, on as well you can do. Label, you can put it as label. Layout can be like this, or it can be like this, or it can be like this, whatever way you want to do it. Reference level, you can add reference level. What is the reference level? And also you can add images, so different kind of images you can add. If required, you can browse it and you can paste it, the URL, or whatever way you want to put it. Since I'm not having any images as such at this moment, so we'll keep it as it is. Border, will create it, we'll keep it. Border is required. Background is required. Background is very much required. Okay, border is required. I will keep it off as well. Let's stick to it for time being, so that you can get an understanding how, what way we can do it. There are plenty things you can do. Now format painter, and you just take the cursor here. Immediately, as you can see, it is in the same range. So this way you can get an idea like how it can be. Now you copy all this and then go to format and then align, distribute horizontally. Okay, so this can help you to understand the gaps, so on and so forth. Now you want to put a similar kind of here as well. So you will like this, something like this. You can make it bigger as well. Okay. Also, similar way you can also there are a lot of things. I mean, background canvas background also you can change it. You can put it a different color. Many things you can do, but due to the time constraint we will be taking with this way. You can play around basically. Our purpose is to just to share what are the ways, and of course uh, showcase the features what you can do, many features of Power BI what it can help. And so this format is like this. Okay, maybe you can pull it down a bit like this. Okay, so actually this is just beginning of it. There are many things can be done due to time, and also you can create on your theme. That is the most important part of Power BI. You can create of your own theme, JSON file we call it. You have to create with that, and it's very easy. It's not that very different or difficult. You can create, you can use it, yeah, as per the norms. Every organization would be having the standards, right? They have the logos, they have the other features. Okay, so something like this. Second page, the important part, I will show you how you can publish it to the Power BI service. There we are more focusing on. So as you can see, um, so again, I mean, you can identify any of the format printer and then format this way. I've not done much changes here because don't want it to make it too flashy or too much of mumbo jumbo thing here. Make it very simple, and one view report kind of. Layman can also understand to see, and each page is talking about each thing. The major important part is always remember report should be talking about exactly what we are trying to achieve. So we need to put the names here. As you can see, this is what is our achievement we wanted to create through report. Maybe a flashy report will not help you, but the management, especially from whom you are creating, always remember report is for someone else. It is not for you. You can use it, but maybe for someone else, like the management or someone from your team or any other team. So that need to be always keep in mind and create a report. Okay, so where my graph has where is my graph has gone? Okay, something had must have paste, no problem. We'll see it. And okay, yeah, this is a very beautiful report, especially the key influence, you know, key influencer report, a key influencer visual. Sorry, there are a lot of ambiguities are there. Always you will feel like which is the right report or visual. Always remember that whatever we have created is not the dashboard. It is just a report. And Power BI dashboard is once you upload in Power BI service, that is called a dashboard. Okay, so I think we're good here, and quickly we will be going to the publishing the report. Let's see how it takes, how it goes. Many things are not done. I mean, we could have done it in a different way. We made beautification can be done in much better way. But let's start with something. I mean, at least the beginning of it. So let's start the beginning with understanding how it works. So we have think three four things today. One is the Power Query. You started understanding what is Power Query, how Power Query works, and what are the ways you can see it. So this is basically your what report. It's a report talking about okay HR. Okay, it's not small. Let's make it 24, 28. We can put it HR analytics report org chart. Also, you can mention it for the age versus education versus salary comparison. You can make it middle, and you can add a lot of things. You can, so you can make it, you can take it top also or on the side also, so that you can. Okay, something like this. I mean, you can do rectification a lot. You can put a different color. You can do a lot many things. Okay, I'm not. I think you can put a lot of here. You can put a link also. You can put a logo here. Very importantly, since we do not have all these things at this point of time, we will be going ahead with this and upload it in the and publish it in the Power BI service. So great, we have already saved our file. Control S also give you the save here, and then we'll go to publish. Let's publish it to the Power BI service, which we are waiting for. My workspace, you can go. So as you can see, different publish it to Power BI service. It has a scheme of different workspaces. Let's go to Power BI uh, my workspace where we publish, or also we can publish it to let's publish it Power BI analysis, also PB analysis, this particular workspace. Let's publish it here. I'll show you how it looks and everything. Let's publish it there in the Power BI service and understand how it works. This is basically to the basic understanding. As we have already mentioned, there are different kind of detailed programs we have. Talking about success. Okay, so how you go there? Okay, so very simple thing. You have to go to app.powerbi.com. This is a SaaS version, as we told. This is license is the trial license are there. I don't know whether they're giving it now or not, but earlier it was giving it. Signing. Okay, try it again. So Microsoft Fabric is the one which is, as you can see, the similar kind of workspaces. So we would be using it in Fabric as well. So okay, Power BI analysis. This is the workspace which we are talking about, and here you can see the B dashboard name B. Now it is actually reports. So it is report, but we will call it. A lot of things are there, including app. Plenty things are there. As you can see, this is lot many things. Again, I will show it to you how it looks, and then again we will be talking about how you can utilize it, right? You can share it, you can see the lot many buttons are there. It is included in the app. It's another ocean, I would say. Settings and everything you can play around. This is called semantic model, right? So we'll study in future sessions what is semantic model. For every report there is a semantic model. All the calculations, all the measures what we have created is called semantic model for this. So you can do a schedule fresh. You shall talk about what is schedule fresh. Also we'll be talking about these things in coming sessions. So let's go to again Power BI analysis, and as you can see, we got the report here. All right, so I think we are good to go now. Also, you can just take a look how it looks in the Power BI service as it is. As you can see, whatever we have done it there in the Power BI desktop. Now we are in the Power BI service. So this entirely the page, all these things have been captured. You can also do the changes and everything, share and everything, but uh, right. So decrease, increase, what are the possibilities? All things you will get to know. It's a trial license, as you can see. But having said that, you can utilize it. You have to have a license to do it first of all, and then you can use it for your learning purposes. So with this, guys, I'm stopping my session here. I hope this is useful. I hope you have learned this thing, and looking forward for you in the coming sessions. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.